Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of both hip joint planning and protocol. First of all, you can see here there are three images, both are localizer images. The first image is called sagittal, this is coronal, and another is axial. And protocol is showing here. And first of all, I will do the plan coronal images and showing here the protocol T1 TAC coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and the axial images. Now I carefully following the anatomy and physiology and nicely set up the planning. Okay, look here and look here the parameter showing. All are fine. Okay, then now apply. Okay, and now next planning. Okay, okay, okay. Now the next planning T2 sagittal. So now look at the protocol showing here T2 TAC FS sagittal right hip, and now I following the anatomy and physiology and now carefully nicely set up the planning showing here the parameters. Okay, so sagittal planning will be on the axial and coronal images. Okay, now apply. Okay, now the next planning T2 FS sagittal left hip joint. Okay, distance factor 43. Okay, okay. Now I following anatomy and physiology same way, and now nicely set up the planning and showing here the parameters. Look here. Okay, now everything is fine. Then apply. Showing here the STIR coronal images. Wow, very nice. Is and everything fine? Here, look here. Okay. Okay, just copy, slice and situation. No. Just open the protocol and click here. Just copy parameters, slice and saturation, and okay. Now apply. Now T2 sagittal left hip joint, open protocol. Now copy parameters, slice and saturation, and apply. And apply. Okay. Look here. Okay, now the next planning T2 transverse. So now axial planning will be on the sagittal and coronal images. And now I carefully following the same procedure, anatomy and physiology. Okay. Okay, now is everything fine? Look here the parameters showing and look at the protocol showing. Okay. 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 Everything is fine. Okay. Now I apply.